Hi everyone, this is our first lesson. Today we are going to learn the Hungarian alphabet. Let's get into it. The Hungarian alphabet has 44 letters. Hungarian pronunciation rule. In Hungarian, the letters usually have a fixed pronunciation. For example, the vowel A is always pronounced as A, and the consonant B is always pronounced as B. However, we always pronounce consonant together with the vowel that follows. For example, when C is followed by I, we pronounce them together as C. For example, Tica, Tica. I put the letters into words. Okay, move on to the letters. A, A, auto, auto. A, ágy, ágy. B, B, busz, busz. C, C, citrom, citrom. C, C, csiga, csiga. D, D, dió, dió. D, D, edző, edző. G, G, dzsungel, dzsungel. E, E, egér, egér. É, é, étel, étel. The name of the letter F, but we pronounce it like this. F, 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 F. G, G, gomba, gomba. G, G, gyerek, gyerek. H, H, ház, ház. I, I, iskola, iskola. J, J, így, így. I is the long version of the vowel I. J, J. Játék, játék. K, K. Kutya, kutya. The name of the letter L, but we pronounce it like this. L, L. Lampa. The name of the letter A, but we pronounce it like this. J, J. Yuk, yuk. J and A are pronounced the same. The name of the letter M, but we pronounce it like this. M. M. Macska. Macska. The name of the letter, N, but we pronounce it like this. N. N. Nap. Nap. The name of the letter, N, but we pronounce it like this. Ny. Ny. Nyár. Nyár. O. O. Oroszlán. Oroszlán. Ó. Ó. Óra. Óra. O is the long version of the vowel O. Ö. Ö. Ökör. Ökör. Ö. Ö. Őr. Őr. Ö is the long version of the vowel Ö. P. P. Pens. Pens. Q. Q. QR code. QR code. Q is only used in foreign words. The name of the letter, R, but we pronounce it like this. R. R. Rózsa. Rózsa. The name of the letter, S, but we pronounce it like this. S. S. Saláta. Saláta. The name of the letter, S, but we pronounce it like this. S. S. Szív. Szív. T. T. Tű. Tű. Tyé. Tyé. Tyúk. Tyúk. U. U. Új. Új. Ú. Ú. Újság. Újság. U is the long version of the vowel U. Ü. Ü. Üveg. Üveg. Ő. Ő. Ü is the long version of the vowel Ü. V. V. Város. Város. The name of the letter, W, but we pronounce it like this. V. V. Whiskey. Whiskey. V and W are pronounced the same. W is only used in foreign words. The name of the letter, X, but we pronounce it like this. X. X. Xylophone. Xylophone. X is only used in foreign words. The name of the letter, Y, but we pronounce it like this. Ye. Ye. YouTube. YouTube. Ye, A, and Y are pronounced the same. Y is only used in foreign words. Z. Z. zebra, zebra, zsé, zsé, zsák, zsák. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching my videos. If you have any question about the video, type it in the comments. And if you want to learn more, book a lesson with me. Don't forget to subscribe. And magyarul tanulni egyszerű, mint az egyszer egy. Sziasztok!